I don't know. Anyway, this seems to be to me like it's the coolest tank you can get for the money. I mean, I just can't get enough of this thing now that it doesn't make that horrible sound. It goes up and down, it turns, like on a dime too. You don't need a whole lot of space to run this thing. I could be over here, I could turn the turrets. Look at that. It's pretty impressive if you think about it. Look at the range on this thing. Anyway, so turn the turrets. Go forward. Turn. Anything wrong with this is possibly my driving. Aside from that, it's like
Likey.